Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shivansh Agrawal, and today we are going to discuss about a project which is a chatbot. The chatbot will mainly focus on the currency conversion, and we are going to discuss about the project right now. So, as for backend of this chatbot, we are using Flask framework, which is a framework of the Python. Second thing that we are going to use that is a Dialogflow. That is a product of a Google, which has a pre-built, well-trained NLP models. We just have to train these NLP models on our intents. And third one is Nagra, which is will mainly focus on to make your local host online, the server on the server, so you can access the chatbot using your phones and laptops. All right. So in the next video, we are going to discuss about the backend of the chatbot. So thank you, and we will meet in the next video.